Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show. We'll be talking about commercial real estate in Central and Eastern Europe. So we're back here Wednesday morning. Great to see you all. I'm glad you're back and watching us. Again, like I mentioned, it's kind of a holiday week here. Thursday, Friday, big days. Thursday, Thanksgiving, got the family over and some friends over, so it's always a big holiday here in the U.S. And Friday, of course, you're probably seeing some things even in Europe about Black Friday. Anyway, I think it started here in the U.S., and it really means that's kind of the day the retailers start making profits. So, well, we hope that they are making profits starting on even before the Friday. So, this is a big retail month. This in December, January, big retail quarter. We've got a lot going on. Mapic, if you want to, we've got our magazine coming out for Mapic, our retail Europa Property CE retail guide, which our deadline is Friday. So if you have any retail properties or shopping centers or retail parks that you think would be some good opportunities still available for retailers looking to expand in the region, let us know. We want to get you in this edition. Also, of course, any retailers expanding, very interested to hear about that. And that's the magazine's going out to Mapic in Cannes, which will happen on the next week. So we'll be there for that. Also for the CEE Retail Awards, which is January 27th. We're hosting it here in Warsaw at the InterContinental Hotel. Once again, we hope to see you all there. It's filling up fast. We have limited seating, so if you haven't sponsored anything or got a corporate table, let us know because we want to get you at least reserved for it. We can't have the same number of people we used to have, but we do have a pretty good group, and we did for our last month for our investment awards. So anyway, we'll shoot over to Winston Norman for the news, a little bit of pearls of wisdom for EuropaProperty.com. We got a short 20-second commercial to tell you a little bit more about the retail awards coming up. And everyone stay safe. We hope to see you soon, and enjoy the rest of the day. Ladies and gentlemen, join us for the 14th Annual Europa Property CEE Retail Awards. With over 100 expansion directors attending and the most active owners of shopping centers, retail parks, and big box retail, and they're ready to do deals. This event is not to be missed. During the day, we have our retail marketplace, which focuses on deal-making retailer presentations and the CEE Retail Forum. Then in the evening, our big retail awards gala, which starts at 7 and finishes late into the evening.
Good morning and welcome to the Coffee with Craig show, and here are the highlights from the EuropaProperty.com website for today. We'll start with Mindspace, the global flex office provider. They've secured a $72 million investment, which is intended to support the continuation of the company's growth and its further expansion in Europe, the United States and Israel. And according to Dan Zakai, he's the CEO and co-founder, he said Mindspace experienced an impressive growth momentum and high demand in all its locations. Mindspace locations are almost fully occupied. The investment, led by Harold Insurance Investments and More Provident Funds, is intended for its expansion in Europe, United States and Israel. Mindspace, founded in 2014, currently operates in 32 branches in 17 cities in 7 countries and has around 100,000 square meters of space. Moving to Poland, and in the retail investment market, LCP Properties has purchased 3 more Polish retail parks in the towns of Bytom, Góra Kalwaria near Warsaw and Pelwiska near Poznan. And according to LCP, the recent transactions are characterized by their very good locations in towns and the ongoing dynamic development of the residential development in their vicinity. They are an excellent investment of the group, which by purchasing such projects constantly ensures that investments in select properties effectively work for their investors. And this is a continuation of the continued long-term investment plan and fund strategy for Poland and the region. Moving on and going to the Czech Republic, where CTP have announced that Loxes, the logistics company, has leased an additional 70,000 square meters in CT Park Bor in the Czech Republic. The newly constructed warehouse will provide an additional 70,000 square meters for the company, and this is already above their existing 45,000 square meters. CT Park Bor is currently one of the largest industrial parks in the Czech Republic with a total area of 135 hectares. And upon completion, which is a plan for the end of next year, the park will provide more than 616,000 square metres of lettable space. Currently, there are a total of 14 tenants in the park, including leading technology suppliers, automotive companies, and the Primark clothing chain. Staying in the logistics sector and moving to Slovakia, and Garb Industrial Real Estate has launched the development of an 8,000 square metre Garb Green Park Piešťany. A new space comprising of 3,000 square metres will be occupied by InAlfa, a designer, producer and supplier of roof solutions to the car industry, and the remaining 5,000 square metres will be delivered speculatively by the end of May 2022. Moving on, and finally for today, we go to our People on the Move section, and MDC Square has announced that Jeremy Cordroy has been appointed as the board member. Jeremy Cordroy is the company's Chief Operations Officer and one of the company's founders, and now he is a new board member. And this new appointment will help ensure the further dynamic growth of MDC2 Squared by encompassing the best practice in governance. And those are all the news headlines for today. For more headlines, please log on to EuropaProperty.com and we will see you tomorrow.
Click here to subscribe to the Coffee with Craig show, and don't forget to share it with your friends.